Goldman Sachs just published their findings. 300 million jobs displaced globally by 2028. That's 50% of white-collar work vanishing. McKinsey data shows 70% of knowledge workers face major disruption. Right now, not tomorrow, this year. OpenAI's O1 model handles complex legal analysis faster than senior partners. One prompt replaces a $200K salary overnight. Morgan Stanley automated 92% of their compliance work using Claude. Entire departments gone. Your industry is next. Coding jobs are already shrinking. Junior analysts are first to go. Marketing roles folding into AI workflows daily. 47,000 white-collar jobs eliminated last quarter alone. Your mortgage payment depends on skills AI cannot replicate yet. Upskill immediately or become irrelevant. The market does not wait for comfortable transitions. Companies are already hiring. They want AI fluency. They want prompt engineers. They want automation architects. The ones who master this tool own the future. The ones who ignore it get replaced. Zero Input AI teaches you the exact skills companies are desperately buying right now. This is not hype. This is your career decision point. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.